Alright everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're going to walk through a really simple process, how to download TikTok on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, you need to open up the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're there, sometimes you might see TikTok right on the homepage, and you can download it straight from there. But if you don't see it, no worries. Tap on the search icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar at the top and type in TikTok. TikTok should be the first result that pops up, so tap on it. If you scroll down on that page, you can see some more info about the app. To actually download it, tap the Get button. You might need to enter your Apple ID password at this point. Now because I've downloaded it before, mine shows a cloud icon. I'm just going to tap on that, and it'll start downloading TikTok to my iPhone. Just a quick note, TikTok might not be available in your region's app store. If that's the case, you might need to change the region settings on your iPhone. I'll leave a video in the description on how to do that. You might also need to use a VPN to spoof your location, and I'll link a video for that too. Okay, once TikTok is downloaded, the button will change to Open, so tap that. And boom! TikTok will open, and you'll be taken to the sign-up screen. If you already have a TikTok account, just tap Login at the bottom and log in as usual. If you're new to TikTok and want to create an account, tap Sign Up. I recommend using your phone number or email address to sign up. Then, just follow the instructions to create your TikTok account. And that's all there is to it. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.